Hei Fat Choi. Happy New Year for our Chinese participants and Mandarin speaking. Today we are going to be making a vegetable lo mein. I'm going to show you basically what I've got going on and some of the veggies that we're going to use today. We have edamames, we have orange peppers, yellow peppers, loads of veggies, snap peas, cabbage, carrots, asparagus, red, and bok choy, red peppers. I spiralized some zucchini again because we're going to mix it in with the pasta. And the reason I've done that because we've been talking about calories and how to be healthy and things like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my pan nice and hot, and I'm going to add a little bit of toasted sesame oil. Right, get that nice and hot. A little bit of ginger. I actually grounded my ginger with this, so it's really, really like thin, and you don't get any lumps of ginger. And I also did the same with the garlic. Right, so we're going to get that nice and hot. A little spray of olive oil, just to keep it, although it's a non-stick pan. Okay, we're going to quickly get that nice and hot, and then the first one we're going to add is our mushrooms, because they take a little bit longer than anything else. Right, and why they toast off a little bit, the mushrooms, they let out a little bit of water. We're going to toast them off, leave them on low, and I'm going to show you how to make the sauce, and then I'll come back and put in the rest of the veggies. Okay, so the sauce here I have, we're going to do 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, so we're going to do 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 1 teaspoon, let's get the teaspoon up, of sesame oil. Then 1 teaspoon of sriracha. Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's going to be a little spicy, guys. Doesn't it come right off that one? So and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to taste that before it comes on, because if it's a little spicy, I'm going to have to like make something else a little different. All right. So that's just salt. When all your vegetables are actually stir fried over here, we're going to start adding in like what we have. So I have some snap peas. We have some peppers. I cut all the things up. Help me out here.
Have a close up of
Julian.
the edamame. Julian,
yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So that people can see it. So this is what we call edamame, or these are the soybeans, the real soybeans. Remember when we talk about tofu or tempeh or veggie crumbles, I mean tofu or soy. This is the soybean. It's called edamame, and you can find it either fresh or frozen sometimes in packages. It's really good source of protein.
And we're going to add them to the stir fry. We're going to add some cabbage. I got loads and loads of veggies. You can use whatever vegetables you want. I love veggies and I like to taste veggies, so I'm happy to add whatever we have. This is our bok choy. Okay, I popped it up. I'm going to get that. It doesn't take too long to cook because we want a bit of a crunch. No salt and pepper, because you're going to put the sauce, the spicy sauce that I made on at the end. Okay, so we're going to keep stir frying that for a minute. All right, let that go. And then after this is sauteed, we're going to add it to the pasta. Now we have a whole wheat pasta here. As you can see, it's all ready. And I'll mix that in with the vegetables and with the sauce that I made on the side. And that'll be your stir fry done, your lo mein done. How it looks is over here. Okay, you see how
beautiful.
All right, so you've got your edamames, you've got asparagus in there, mushrooms, snap peas, and it's a really, really tasty dish. And you know exactly what goes into it. It's all fresh ingredients. And then for the water of the week, we have pineapple and cucumber, something sweet and refreshing. All right, and that is your recipe for today. So everyone have a good one.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Happy New
Bye.
Year.